Hi everyone, today I will be talking about Dr. Nadine Burke Harris TED Talk How Childhood Trauma Affects Health Across Lifetimes. This talk is powerful because it shows how what happens to us as children doesn't just shape our emotions or memories, but can actually shapes our health for the rest of our life. Dr. Burke Harris explains something called adverse childhood experience or AIDS. These are things like abuse, neglect, or growing up with violence, addiction, or mental illness in the family. When kids go through repeated stress like this, their body releases stress hormone constantly. Normally, stress hormone help us in the short bursts, like when we are in danger. But when the stress never stops, it's become what she called toxic stress. What is toxic stress? Toxic stress is basically doesn't just affect emotions, but it's actually changed the way a child brain develops and even weakens their immune systems. Some research show that the higher a person has score, the greater their risk later in life for serious health problems. Things like heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and the most dangerous is depression in younger age, and even substance abuse. In other words, childhood trauma can literally shorten someone's life expectancy. So basically, toxic stress is the dangerous thing among this childhood. I will give for example, like imagine a child who grew up in a violent household. Every day their body is in the fight or flight modes, even if they look fine on the outside. Inside, their stress system is always switched on. Years later, this some child might develop high blood pressure or depressions, not because of the bad luck, but because of the lasting effect of toxic stress. Can you imagine the young age they will have to face these situations? How affected a kid's life right now? Of because their family, because the surroundings, or yeah. So we have to survive our solution and hopes, but here the hope part. This isn't destiny, but Dr. Brooks Harris emphasized that when early intervention and support, we can reduce these risks. Trauma-informed healthcare, supportive relationships, therapy, and safe environment all help children grow resilient and heal. This means a teacher, doctor, family, and communities play a huge role in protecting kids and breaking the cycle. So I will in short, childhood trauma isn't just an emotional issue, but it's a public health issue. By recognizing and addressing it early, we can change the future of millions of children. So The next time we think about help, let's remember it doesn't start in the adulthood, but it starts in the childhood. Thank you.